Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the OLAPLEX Hair Perfector No.3 Repairing Treatment, 3.3 fluid ounces. It's not a conditioner, but a bond builder, so it's actually helping strengthen your hair. Per her instruction, this product is supposed to help restore bonds in your hair at the molecular level. This hair repair has been the best product on the market to repair hair damage. This is fine, but the claims in the product description get a bit carried away. If you have severely damaged hair and are desperate, then this is the product for you. Highly recommend it. It's worth the money for this little bottle, especially if you have really damaged hair. While it isn't perfectly healthy again, it looks and feels like normal, soft, smooth hair, as well as putting one of those disposable plastic hair covers you can buy at Sally's Beauty. It's not a miracle product, and overpriced, but it does help the hair a lot. If you're going to keep blonde highlighted hair, make this investment to keep your hair from breaking, or becoming rough and brittle from processing. Important to know that this is neither shampoo or conditioner, and you should both shampoo and condition immediately after rinsing out. Mixed with a few other conditioners, and they had a little success, but not for this price. Does not condition hair, even fine hair like mine, and comes in a tiny bottle. It made it pretty soft, but not any softer than a brand from a local beauty supply store. The formula was very watery, and felt more watery than most drugstore brand conditioners. The shampoo lasts the longest, but the treatment bottle is small, so goes fast on long hair. Leaving it on damp hair for as long as possible, then shampoo, and a goodly amount of conditioner is incredibly restorative. Put it on wet hair, leave it an hour, or more, then wash, and condition your hair to be soft. After shampoo, conditioner, and drying, the texture and tone was softer, the more lightened areas were much stronger, and more flexible than before. It's a pricey product, and there seems to be no way to get all the product out of the bottle. It is a whole lot harder to get those little pieces off than it is a whole strand of hair. This bottle is small, but so worth the money if you care about your hair. Then, gobs of hair fell out over the next couple weeks, regular shedding from the roots, not breakage from damage. The left-hand bottle was purchased in a reputable high street store. Right hand was from this vendor. If your hair is thinning, damaged, and making you want to shave it off, try this first. Middle-aged women who has been lightening okay, bleaching her hair for decades, also blow drying, and curling iron. That said, one bottle is about 34 applications for me, which is kind of crazy. This is a good product for dry hair, only problem is that it looks good for a day afterwards. It is not an affordable option for someone who needs more for their hair unless you have a lot of disposable income and want to spend it on your hair products. But for the price, it is really not a lot, especially if you have thick hair like mine. This is the watered-down version of No.3, which means it cannot be nearly as effective. It tends to get that frizzy Barbie doll hair texture that looks even frizzier and fried when the sun hits it. Keep it dampened and leave it on for as long as you can. Definitely not disappointed with OLAPLEX. However, you don't seem to need that much each time due to the consistency of the product. It's so small. Not ideal product for long hair, as it won't last, and you'll go broke. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.